everyone, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic messages and blessings coming your way in October 2021. This is relevant for the month of October, so whenever you stumble upon this reading, have a look at it because the messages are just for you. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is a pink flower, and this is pile B, which is the blue flower. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you're being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who picked pile A, which is the pink flower right here, these are your messages. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, pile A, is the Four of Cups. It's quite likely that your emotions are going to fluctuate this month. Maybe there's some kind of lack in your life. That is why you see this lady here. She seems to be in a pensive mood. Maybe you're all by yourself. These are challenging times, but then this emotional turmoil that you're facing in your life in October will also pass. Perhaps you should also get a grip on your emotions, because you may feel as though you're overreacting to situations. Sometimes, you may also feel that people are two-faced. They could promise you much, but then they disappoint. It's also possible that family members may have a thing to say about your financial condition. Maybe they will deny you financial resources that you were promised. However, you should take heart from the fact that they will come around, or they will come to rescue you when you are in troubled waters. I think you can rely on your trusted aides for assistance as well. Professionally also, I think you need to strive that much harder this October. You may feel demotivated or lazy, or you may lack drive, that is. Your schedules could also be disrupted. Sometimes, we are unsure about how you should proceed, but then you're also somebody who can kill two birds with one stone. You should strive that much harder and complete what has been dragging for days. Your responsibility could also increase this month. Maybe staff is unavailable, or they are absent co-workers. That is why you have to take up responsibility. You have to take the onus, that is. Many of you could also be on the lookout for work offers or job employment opportunities. Even outstation work offers could be there. But then the job on offer is not akin to what you're doing now. Maybe it doesn't excite you. I think you should take everything with a pinch of salt. Even if there are offers, you should read between the lines. Financial transactions will also keep you busy this October. By the way, as we are discussing your colleagues, I think you should be mindful of the fact that there could be some seniors who could irritate you or bother you too much. Maybe you could complain against them, but then nothing could come of it. That is why also you may feel as though nothing is coming off your plans. From the astrology reading cards, we have this card, Neptune. Neptune is a planet which could be very deceptive. It's like you're living in an illusory world. Maybe you should get down to business. You should not build castles in the air. Maybe you're fantasizing a bit too much. I think you should not live in a bubble. Rather, you should understand the harsh realities of life. Sometimes, we dream about something, but then when we wake up, we realize that it was just an illusion. Perhaps, pile A, you should motivate yourself. Like I said, you need to be more determined. You have to build on your strength and stamina. This card also means that your judgment could be quite cloudy this month. Maybe it's also time to defer decision making. Maybe when these storm clouds will pass, then you will get clarity as well. Your angels are also asking you to focus on writing. Maybe you'll be dealing with paperwork. Being creative is also going to benefit you enormously. Perhaps, pile A, you had that dream of putting pen to paper. So this is the time to use your imagination. Maybe this is why Neptune has also come up in your reading. It would be best to let your imagination run wild, to be creative. But writing also involves some kind of self-discipline. Sometimes we do suffer from the writer's block. In such a scenario, I think you should ask Archangel Gabriel, because he is the one who is there supporting your writing abilities. Archangel Raphael is also asking you to focus on organic food. Maybe you're sensitive to chemicals or harsh food. Perhaps it's time to consume organic food. I think you should Go for fresh fruits and vegetables. The next card in your reading is third party. I think your relationships could be a bit muddled this month because of outside influences. Maybe there's somebody who is meddlesome or who's poking his or her nose in your affairs. Maybe these outside interferences need to be done away with so that you can focus on your relationships. For some of you, it could also mean that your love life is a bit messy because of this third person. Or maybe you could be in an extramarital relationship. I think that is why this lady here seems to be emotionally discontent as well. Maybe she is nostalgic. She's thinking about where she has put herself in. Perhaps this lady feels it's time to settle scores. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, we have this card, leaving. I think you need to leave a toxic relationship behind. It has come alongside this card, third party, so certainly you know what's best for you. Sometimes, the circumstances become so intolerable that the healthiest choice is to move on. Maybe that is why this card, Neptune, also came up in your reading. Maybe you need to be more practical and pragmatic with respect to your relationships. For some of you, it could also mean that you're unhappy with your job situation. That is why you want to leave that job behind. You want to set sail for greener pastures as well. Sometimes moving on from a very secure situation could also leave you a bit confused and muddled. It could make you a bit insecure as well. But then you should be rest assured that this change is also going to take you to the right path. From Lenormand, we have this card book. We did have writing here, so maybe there's a book on the cards for you. Maybe you should work on your writing abilities, or perhaps you should do some research and find out a little bit more about organic foods, or maybe you should work on your skill sets as well. I think something is very secretive or hidden in this month which could come out in the open. Perhaps Pile, you're also going to have those secret admirers. I think this month your brain is going to be overactive. Nevertheless, you can expect miracles. Miracles are abounding in your life. Everything is going to unfold if you look up heavenwards, or if you are willing to receive or embrace these miracles. That is, you may even be a good luck charm for others. Last card in your reading, pile A, is Grey, depressed, detached and unemotional. We did start this reading with the Four of Cups, and we are wrapping up this reading with this card, Grey. Maybe you should shake things up a bit, because sometimes life can be a bit boring and unattractive. Perhaps you're coming across as someone who is a bit detached and depressed, unemotional as well. I think you need to come out of this gloom and doom. You need to embrace that life is going to offer you those opportunities, or there are going to be those miracles which are going to be helping you onward. Maybe this message is also relevant because you are undergoing healing. I think you have to try to feel at ease with the ambiguity and uncertainty that is there. Maybe you need to address the gray areas of your life, as this will help you move on from an unhealthy situation to a better one. Maybe for some of you, it's also possible that you want definite answers from your person with respect to a relationship. Perhaps you believe that you are not getting clarity in with respect to this connection, or maybe this person seems to want to have the cake and eat it too. That is why you feel that you are in a limbo, or you are in a state of suspension. This insight is also necessary for your soul's evolution. I hope, Pile, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time. Those of you who picked Pile B, which is the blue flower right here, these are your messages from your angels for the month of October 2021. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, Pile B, is the Knight of Swords. Certainly you are in an adventurous mode. You want to rush headlong. You want to move with the changes, or you're going to be someone who's going to be quite adaptable. Basically, you will find yourself making adjustments in your schedules. I think you need to prioritize as well, because it's going to be a very active month. You have to get down to being flexible. It can be a bit unnerving as well, but then being rigid or too set in your ways could compound matters for you. Besides Pile B, I'm also picking up that you have to be prepared for the unforeseen eventualities that October is going to bring into your life. I think while working also you need to be careful because there could be the tendency to overlook the details because you're rushing headlong. Nevertheless, I think appreciation is also on the cards for you this October. On that, I think you should be careful because there could be a lack of trust in your relationships, whether at work or on the home front. Everybody is breathing down your neck. Nevertheless, I think you're going to come out with your head held high. Maybe you should also avoid overreacting to situations. Maybe others could accuse you of making a mountain out of a molehill. Money transactions or technical issues could also take up your time this October. The next card in your reading pile B is Species. It's a very dreamy energy. So certainly I think you're going to be wistful or you're going to be having those illusions. Species is an energy which asks you to be patient and empathetic, while the Knight of Swords is someone who is very proactive, who doesn't think twice, who wants to move forward. I think you're also somebody who's like a sponge, who's absorbing all the emotions around you, so you should be careful that you don't absorb the negative emotions of other people. Because you're an empathetic soul, I think there are energy vampires around you. That is why you may feel drained a bit at times. I think you're certainly encouraging people to get better, to be a better version of themselves, because you're going to shower them with unconditional love and compassion. Maybe you're also somebody who avoids telling the truth this month, maybe because you fear that it could hurt another person's sentiments. I think like this water sign, you're also somebody who can benefit if you do salt water remedies or you do water therapy, that is. Maybe water can soothe your nerves this month. The next card in this reading is Artist. I think the angels are also asking you to be quite creative. Pisces is a very creative energy. That is why I think if you are going to engage in artistic activities, this is going to be quite beneficial for your career and every other area of your life. Maybe it is going to be quite therapeutic as well. Perhaps this will help you feel more fulfilled. You could be painting or you could engage in jewelry making, or perhaps you should take up sketching or an art design course as well. From Archangel Raphael, we have this card, do more research. Whatever health issues that are bothering you this month, you need to do more research with respect to that. Maybe you should be more patient. Besides, like I said, you are quite empathetic, so maybe Archangel Raphael is also asking you to work on your healing abilities. Basically, you shouldn't be passive. Instead, you should listen to the divine whispers within your heart. All these thoughts and sensations that your body is receiving are the voices from your angels. These messages will help you heal yourself as well as guide others in their healing process. I think Archangel Raphael is also asking you to get a second or a third opinion with respect to the health problem that you or a family member is facing this month. Perhaps you should be open to the idea of alternative healing methods as well. Meditation could also benefit you this month. Contemplation is also on the cards for you. Time to ponder, it's a time to think or ruminate over decisions that you have made in the past or you are making in this month. Perhaps you need to go to a quiet corner, whether at home or maybe you should go spend time with nature like this person here. He is also by the sea, so certainly water is going to be something which could benefit you, or water therapy is going to benefit your emotions this month. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, we have this card, Changing Your Mind. Earlier in this reading, the Knight of Swords did talk about you having to deliberate. Maybe you are going to take those decisions, but then you should also be careful because there's a time when you could be a bit fickle. You could change your mind. Maybe the second opinion which you need with respect to your health is also going to turn out to be quite the right one. And with respect to matters of the heart, I am picking up that there could be options before you. Maybe you have your choices or someone from your past could also re-enter your life. That is why you are going to be in a contemplative mode. Maybe you are deliberating whether you should open your heart to this person, give this person a chance, or whether you should move on from it. I think it's very imperative for you to learn from your decisions, whether it's made in the past or whether you're making in this month. From Lenormand, we have this card, Moon. Again, this talks about your fluctuating emotions. Maybe you're also concerned about your reputation. That is why I think if the management is going to ask opinions from your clients, then you could be a bit upset about the whole issue. Certainly, it means that your capacity or your talents are being undermined, or that there's no confidence that the management has in you. I think you feel it's a ploy by a jealous superior, jealous colleagues to put you in a spot of bother this month. Nevertheless, I think the moon is also asking you to introspect, to find the answers so that you're not confused or baffled. Like the artist card right before here and the moon card, it also talks about your imagination. So again, you're being asked to use your creative skills to good effect. Besides pile B, you're also very romantically disposed this October. Maybe there's a strong chemistry with someone and this relationship is definitely strengthening. It's also quite likely that your lover is also somebody who's going to be quite insecure this month. Maybe he feels that you could lose interest in him because there's somebody else who is showing an interest in you. But then I think you want to let him know that you are not going to be disloyal or that infidelity is not a part of your makeup. The next card in your reading is believing in magic. You know, you can be skeptical, you can have doubts, but then the universe is quite mysterious. I think there are signs which are there, or symbols and coincidences around you. Maybe there are secret messages which need to be unraveled by you this month. Well, pile B, even if your faith is the size of a mustard seed, I think magic can abound. You need to believe. Your angels are definitely looking over you. The last card in your reading is Horns, dominance. I think you want to dominate, you want to have the upper hand, you want to have control over the proceedings, whether at work or on the home front. Maybe you're somebody who wants to fight for your own territory, or you don't want anybody to pull the rug from under your feet. Nevertheless, I think you are going to be in a powerful position. You are going to fight for your territory. In fact, nobody can usurp your position this month. Certainly, pile B, if you do believe in magic, then everything will turn out right for you. I hope pile B you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.